Boy, they're big.
Well, they got tomatoes on, but the tomatoes aren't really growing that fast.
They are awash with tomatoes.
Yeah.
And what is this, squash?
Yeah, cucumbers.
Cucumbers?
I need to get my fence up here. I kind of let that one get out of control. Look at this. I watered these yesterday. And look at these, how dry they are.
Yeah. Well, they are raised beds.
I know, and I need to do it every morning. This thing has bloomed itself to death, and I don't see any fruit whatsoever.
Well, don't they need to be, what do they call it? Not fertilized, where bees pollinated.
Well, so does the tomatoes. I got tomatoes. You would think I would have cucumbers.
Huh.
I don't see any fruit at all.
So this is June 9th. So it's not bad for tomatoes, huh?
I'm a month behind, really.
Yeah.
But they're growing.
Any birds nest in them yet?
No, but I see 2 female redbirds down here all the time. Yeah. They're in my tomato vines all day long. So.
Boy, this got a lot of tomatoes. Okay.
Okay, this is God's dirt.
God's dirt?
That's all the dirt that is in there is God's dirt.
And how was that God's dirt?
Yeah, from my burn pile.
Oh, the burn pile. Okay, yeah.
God made it.
Okay, I'm going to get 3 new gallons of oil. I'll be right back. I cannot make myself trust this. Jeez, I hate this stupid. Oh, I want to use all kinds of bad language. I don't know whose idea it was, the push button transmission, but it is the dumbest freaking thing. Dumb. I hate it. And really, it's the only thing I hate about this whole car. I'm getting great fuel mileage, and it's comfortable. It rides like a car, but doesn't have a volume knob, so you gotta hunt for first of all, you got to have your glasses on to see which is the up and the down, the volume here on the steering wheel. Or you got to do this number here, press it up and down. It's just, I don't listen to radio, so it really doesn't matter. But this is the dumbest, stupidest thing. I can't imagine anybody thinking this would be a good idea. And this dog, I can't tell you how many times he puts me in park or neutral just stepping on the buttons. So I love the car. Honda Ridgeline, love it. I absolutely hate, loathe, and despise the push button transmission. All right, I got sidetracked a little bit, but I'm headed to do the thing I told you I was going to do. But since I had to come out here for a funnel, I decided to see what Mr. I'm so smart with a college degree charger thinks about my battery now. And I got it on trickle charger. That's weird when I get up close to it. Look at that. Isn't that weird? And it's not doing it really. I mean, I'm looking right at it and it's not doing it. It's doing it through the camera. That is so weird. Okay, it's saying it's 95% charged on the antique charger. There it is right there that I had on it. Said it was 100% charged. So I'm going to leave it on here on trickle charge and go do what I was going to do. And when I bring this funnel back, I'll check it then. So here we go. Okay, finally. I got $30 worth of canola oil. And I'm fixing to, oh Lordy. All right, it's gonna be a bit of a mess. It's not so bad, but I've had it a while and time. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get something under there that's just too messy. I'll have to put a Hell, I got a towel up here. I'll use that. All right. Out with the old, in with the new. God, made a bit of a mess. Not so terrible, but next time I get my pressure washer out, I'll clean it up out here. Okay, I'm going to get these heat treated and tempered, and you know what? That is all I'm good for today. I have got my body tricked through the miracle of chemistry into thinking that we're not hurting. I've got oh God, you know, I have herniated discs anyway, 2 in my lower, 3 in my neck, and last night I knew when I woke up it was going to be a bad day, and it was a bad morning. I could barely walk, and the only reason I'm able to move around now is because I've been taking heavy doses of some stuff, legal, pharmaceutical, that I'm prescribed. And I don't usually take this much, but I had some things I wanted to do. And this is one of them. I want to get these heat treated, tempered, and tomorrow get them cleaned up, make the Kydex sheaths for the other 2 knives that are done. And maybe over the course of the weekend, I can get all these ready to be shipped on Monday. So, and, God, I see this stuff also makes me very forgetful. Nikki and Patrick, I will ship yours Monday. And another Patrick, Rob, and Jesus Christ, I can't believe I can't remember. Anyway, I think I can have all these ready to be shipped Monday too, so we'll see. More than likely, I'm getting there. All right, so Dr. Battery Charger in just a few minutes says it's now up to 97%. So we're gonna call that good. I don't want to leave this running. All right, so saved the battery. And this one tried to convince me that it was a bad battery or a bad cell. And I do not have a bad cell, and it's not a bad battery. And if anybody's wondering, that's how I got rid of my previous quenching oil in an environmentally friendly way. And now the whole neighborhood smells like French fries. All right, they're heat treated and in the tempering oven. And now what I'm gonna do is cut these 2 pieces of Kydex, cut them into knife making sizes. And I may just cut them down the middle for now, because I need a steadier hand, which I don't have with a razor, to cut them into nice square pieces. But I can rip them down the middle and be done with it and get them in my drawer where I keep them. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. I'm up. He sees me. I'm down. Right behind that tree. Where there's one, there's more. So there's probably more out there that I'm not seeing.